Kwa kabiri omwaka w'2020 aba National Curriculum Development Center bakatekaho enshomesensya omashomero aga secondary egenderire okureba ngo mweji yagira obukugu obuyatunga ahamwe na nokutendeka okurugirira aha curriculumensya omweji nashoma subjects abirimwe kandi omushomesa nabagenderire okureba ngo yayambaho omukwega ekiri kwereka ngo omweji natekatekwa kuteka mu cyango aha kushoma kwe obwo ari kutungaho obuhwezi aha mashomero aga government hamwe nago agabantu buntu omweji natekatekwa kushoma amashomo 12 omusine yo kubanza na sine ya kabiri rero yeyongerayo amashomo 11 nechi wakweta compulsory rero ishomo rimwe nechi wakweta optional.
It is both about theory and about practicals. In all the curriculum umushomesa akabaje mu kirasi ashomese byakumanya nibyo mwana arakwate konka curriculum age nereba by'umushomesa ari kumanya igarake reba by'umwana ari kumanya nazo zinehereza umwana chance nawe kurete byakumanya kubiteko mu nkora kabiteko mu practice mu curriculum enkuru umushomesa amagiza g'umushomesa ngugabega building omwana kongo mu gihe curriculum harimo amagiza g'umushomesa harimo amagiza g'omwana.
Bruno Begumira omushomesa aishomero Elia St Paul High School nagira ngo enshomesensya egenderire kureba ngo yayambaho abeji okugira obukugu batunga oyireho emyaka yenyuma aho omweji yabire natendekwa okugira ngo abase kwika kurungi ebizamuchonka.
Omwana numuhereze cyo gukora kandi akikora konka tokuzahari abo ko ine guma no mureba activity yene wamuhereza akagikora ayashobya ukamugaruka ukananka ukamutereza kurango amuherwa lesson tagira ki tagira umwe no kuferwa.
Every Nampa omushomesa wa St Paul High School Rushoka nashobora ngo enshomesensya ninungi ahabo kugira ngo hariho okwejumbiramo okwabeje munonga na nokuto mu nkora ebintu ebari kuba bayega
ensya kurugirira yakare yabireho tukati training abana kugira ngo baze kuronda imirimo bakwasere papara konka agency nenda ngo umwana abayine skills mbona abayine obukugu yamara kwega katugire nkanya ari kwegesa ICT yayenda shitamenka hari yakore business atandike ku photocopyinga atandike ku printinga nkaza certificate nkezi za card zembaga mbona yebishe watagirena na kuronde mirimo abo kuba eji curriculum ensya nicyo cye kuhagira okukire zinde zabeziruhe zenyuma.
Anet atukunda tumwebaze umuhango mbyo bwegese kandi uri kuruga omukigombe ecyaba Amuda nagira ngo enshomesensya neja kuhereza obwire buri kwemarira aha bashomesa okugira ngo babase kwehayo aha murimo gwabo.
Curriculum you're supposed to use the available resources. The child is supposed to learn to be innovative, to be a critical thinker, and those are the skills that the new curriculum is looking at. So if you're going to be an entrepreneur and you know you can make handcrafts, you can make a mat, you can make a mat and sell it and get money. You do not need to buy materials. You go to the plantation and get those materials and make a mat. So children are encouraged to use available resources before they can buy. So children should be encouraged, even the parents should be encouraged to look at the available resources. Even teachers are encouraged to guide children in their projects to look for available resources.
Bitogu yayongera yahigana government okureba ngo yatamu ekiri kubasika kwenda ngo program eji ebase kutiwa kurungi omunkora.
Well planned for teachers, educators do not have scholastic materials. They do not have the resources. Not all schools have technology, and yet they are supposed to impart this kind of knowledge. So it is a challenge, and I think we shall have to pattern, all of us as educators, to find a solution to such, to those challenges.
Government ekachireba ngune chintu echamagezi okugira ngo ebase kuyambaho abeji okutunga obukugu oburi kwemalirira kugira ngo kibase kubahweraho okugira ngo babase kushohora bine obukugu obwo kubahweraho kutunga emirimo okusinga okurwa mu mashomo obwo bari kumanya ebintu ebyo mu mutwe bwonka. Amakuru aga gashakwa Eric Mwesige ahabwa Sky Television omuri Rushoka.